Hello everybody, it is me, classyfennekin. So, today, we're going to be talking about something that I said I was going to make a video about a few days ago when I opened up my new SSD. So you don't know, I bought an SSD for a new system. This new system is going to be called Firebreather V4. Wondering what that is, the name thing. Pretty much, to all my gaming systems, I give it the name, the Firebreather, for, a reason that I don't really want to exploit because it's kind of weird. So this system is going to be a budget gaming / content creation. It's pretty much, yes, it's going to be powerful, but it's not going to have, the brand, all the brand new parts, the Ryzen 3, the 280 Super. It's not going to have that. But it's still going to be plenty powerful. Now, why am I building a gaming PC? Well, there's a bunch of reasons. First, there are games that on this laptop run horribly. First, R-Factor 2. R-Factor 2 is something I would love to play more of. And I just can't play it on this. Well, there's really two reasons. One, when it does run, it will pin the CPU. Now, what that is pretty much the CPU goes to 100% usage, and then the game starts CPU lagging. So, like, the game, you'll still be moving, but you're moving at, like, half speed, and then the CPU will catch up and wall. And you crash. Steep. On here, I have to turn everything way down when I play it. And both of these don't stream. Also, Steep, when I'm in densely populated areas, likes to... the performance just drops. Also, I can't stream games like Overwatch. There's all sorts of games I can't stream. Also, with R-Factor 2, another problem. The moment I install it on this, just the base game with the few mods, few extra cars I have, instant 0 hard drive space or 0 SSD space. Just immediately, just gone. It's like I go into File Explorer, go over to my PC. It says 0 of it says 0 of 250 gigs or 0 of 111 gigs available on whatever drive I have installed on. Now, another reason is I want to do some VR stuff. I have been itching. I've been itching to play Beat Saber. Man, I've been wanting to play that game for a while. Also, there's some other... Also, there's like some sim racing games that are in VR. Editing. Right now, it can take me like on this i5. It takes me an hour to edit. It takes me an hour just to render some videos. Some of the longer videos, it takes me an hour or more to just render that out when I upload it. And also, I kind of just want to have something that I can say I did myself. That I planned, that I went out, got everything for it, and that I put together. And just something to do. Something fun to do. No, don't see any real harm in it. Yeah. So, now onto the specs. CPU, GPU. I'm going AMD. So first, I'm getting the Ryzen 2700X. So yeah, Ryzen 2700X. I'd be like, why don't you get the 3700X? Well, here's the thing. The 2700X is still a really powerful CPU. And still fairly recent, but it's not the it's not the Gen 3. It's not the 3700X. And actually the clocks on them are very similar. It's like I think when I looked on PC Power Picker, it was like a 0.1 difference in base clock and turbo clock. But yeah, so that is why I'm getting that. The other thing I'm getting, so GPU wise, is going to be the RX 580. There's a really good MSI one out there that I have been looking at. It's comparable to the 1070, and it's like $100 less. And the reason why I'm not going NVIDIA, well, NVIDIA to me feels like they're pushing, they're pushing people to you to upgrade. They're like, they really don't care about the performance of the older hardware, and I'm not really digging NVIDIA anymore. And so hard drives wise, I'm gonna have that 120 for Windows, and then all my games and everything on a 1 terabyte hard drive, and then it's all gonna be also fan cooled. So yeah. Well, that's all I got for now. Thank y'all for watching. Bye for now. Peace.